No intro, so to begin, simply go to your web browser, and I will have links in the description if you need them, but here go to your search bar and search up JDK26 and enter. You'll find oracle.com here, click on Java Downloads, and it will bring you to this page. Now go to Accept All here, and scroll down. Here you'll find JDK26, we have Linux, macOS, and Windows. Just choose your OS, and then go to x64 installer for example if you have Windows, and go to the link here to get the file. Okay, now this is just going ahead and getting Java 26 to your downloads folder here, so all you have to do is wait for this to actually finish, and once it will be done we can continue. So here is JDK 26. Here you can go ahead and close your web browser for example and go to your file explorer to access your downloads folder. Here is JDK 26 or Java 26. Double click on this and it will open up. Now what you want to do is just do yes if you have a pop-up, and then here you want to go ahead and wait for the installer. Just do next, next, and now you need to wait for this to fully finish. It is very easy. So basically here we have the actual installer wizard here, and once it will be able to actually go ahead and finish like so, just do close and you're done. You will now be able to actually go ahead and use Java, and more specifically Java 26 on Windows for example. So yeah, if you liked this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you for the next one. Bye!